The SPBC range of battery chargers are capable of recovering and charging discharged batteries, and unlike other battery chargers on the market, they have a 5-year guarantee for maximum peace of mind. Plus, they feature fully automatic charging technology that determines both the chemistry and the voltage of the battery being charged. So charging is safe, quick and simple. These chargers are designed for charging 6, 12 and 24 volt EFB stop-start, gel, AGM, lead acid and calcium batteries. And the SPBC 30 and SPBC 40 models are also capable of charging lithium batteries too. The SPBC 30 and SPBC 40 models also have a 13.5 volt DC power supply for battery support function, providing support for batteries during prolonged electronic diagnostic checks. And they can help to restore sulfated batteries too. The range also incorporate the following valuable features: reverse polarity, short circuit, overheating and overcharging protection, an intuitive illuminated display LED screen showing charge status, volts and amps output and battery capacity, a retractable hanging hook, built-in cable and clamp storage